In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 2021, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to select System. Then click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction and tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!